Yes. So guys, we know that Canada has switched to NOC 2021. Okay, starting November 16, just a few days back. So now, in order to be eligible for Express Entry and many other programs, you got to use this. So this is what we are going to discuss in this video, and later we'll go ahead and create the profile as well. Okay, with the new NOC with a sample case. Again, before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to just to show you how to navigate through a service. Thank you. So guys, in front of you, I have shown this NOC article from this Canada site. So now they have gone for tier categories uh, and examples of jobs. So in tier 0, they have management occupations. Tier 1 that requires university degree. Tier 2 college diploma, um, apprenticeship training. So you can go through this, and they have done it up to level 5. Okay, and some occupations also they have given. Again, you need to go into details to find out. Now you need to find out which one it is for you. So for example, if you are a programmer in IT, okay, you can see it comes in the tier 1 and NOC codes you can see. So let's say you want to go for this 21232 software developers and programmers. Okay, now we will now we know our NOC code. Okay, so we will go ahead and start we'll go ahead and start creating the Express Entry profile. So I have opened this submit an Express Entry profile. So the steps are in 5. Okay, fill out another. If you want to come to Ghana, step is to submit Express Entry pool. If you are eligible, you'll be placed in pool. You'll get a score, and then if you are invited to apply, you're gonna apply. Okay. So we will not submit the profile because I don't wanna create a dummy profile, but at least we can go through it. So this is a wizard that's gonna check your eligibility. So click on check your eligibility. Where you wanna live, I set up this language test results. If you have taken when did you take this test? I'm just putting sample, okay guys? Speaking. I'm putting very high score, but it's not impossible, but I know it's difficult. If myself can get 8.5, you guys can do too. Next. Any other language test? Second, I select none, but if you have definitely go, especially for French, they have bonus points. In last 3 years, how many years of skill work experience you have in Canada? So let's say you have never been to Canada, so I select none. If you do not have any kind of experience, please select none of the above. So I select this. In last 10 years, how many years of skill work experience do you have it? It must be continuous. So I select 6 or more, okay? In last 5 years, do you have at least 2 years of experience in one of the qualified trades, occupation, 5-digit code that include occupation code? So we already determined, right? Our code, we don't fall into this. So I select none. How much money you'll be bringing to Canada? I just select this. How many family members do you have? I select one. Whatever is applicable in your case. Do you have a valid job offer? I select no. What's your date of birth? So I select some sample, right? Which year do you want me to make? 85. Okay, fine. January 1st. If you did not, what is the highest level of education for which you earned a Canadian degree diploma or have an ECA? Okay, so I select bachelor's degree. Okay, whatever is applicable in your case. I've studied in Canada at least 1 year full-time experience Canada. Job must have been tier 0, 1, 2, or 3. I have a relative in Canada who is 18 years or older. And then So if you have a sibling or somebody, it grants you bonus point. So be careful. What's your marital status? I select never married, single. Whatever is available in your case. Okay. So it creates a reference code. Okay. And then in order to apply online, you need this reference code. Okay. So we need to go back. Let me see if I can go back from here. Oh, I'll create here. Okay, so now we have gone through the wizard and we have the code. Now it's time to create your profile. So the first step is to create a GCT account if you don't have, or else you can use a sign-in partner. Okay. So this generally will have people, those who are already in Canada, like Canadian financial institutions and all. But if you're out of Canada, most probably you don't have this access. So you need to go with this. If you do need an account, create here. This is a secure account. Okay. I'll go for register with GCT. Sign up, I'll do. Accept. Username. So what should I do? New NOC. NOC 2021. Okay. So it was available. Fine. I'm gonna create a password for me. Questionnaire answers. Recovery. 5 questions. First pet name. Albert. Hero. Memorable person. Where is that? Hero. Hero. Memorable date. Which one should I pick up? I don't know. Let me select millennium, right? 2020 01 01. Oh, what's going on? 20 memorable day. Wednesday. Yeah. Ah, cannot be same. Ah, some answers have been omitted. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna do it. Wow. Email address, confirm email address. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, but it will be censored, so you won't be able to see it. You know why, right? So I have done email verification. It sends a code to your email account. Then you must enter. So then now I have logged in. Click on accept. And now I need to create the account. So I'm gonna put some information and I'm gonna click on continue. Ask you to put the security questions and then provide answers and then click on continue. So I'm gonna do that. So that I have created it. Now we are on the main page and here I have an opportunity to start an application. So I have to click on apply to come to Canada. Personal reference code that we copied last time. Yeah, it saves a lot of time. Okay. Some of the information is already copied and some I'm gonna put. So I'm just gonna put some sample. This is sample, guys. I select this, but you need to do as per your case. Okay, now the profile is created. So we have to go to these 6 sections and complete all this so that it becomes green. And once we are through this, we can, submit the profile. Of course, I'll not submit the profile, but I'll show you each and every how you can do this. Start name. This is picked up. Next, personal description. I'm just selecting samples, guys. Be careful when you enter this information. It's really important. It is asking if you have this. I select yes. Number, country, and you have to fill up all the mandatory fields. Of course, that's really important. What should I enter here? I should go up, right? Yeah, 18, 17. Typical Indian, right? Passport 10 years valid. Sample, guys. Save and add. Okay. Go to next. If you have applied for a to IRCC before, I select no. But if you have, definitely ban. Anyway, they're gonna find out. Countries of citizenship. India does not allow dual nationality, right? So that's fine. This I can remove. Country of residence, where you are currently living now. How many family does one? This include John Smith. So let's say it's coming alone. So just one. How much money themselves and the family. So I'll put it. And this is in Canadian dollars. Okay, so be careful. Do you have a relative who is permanent in Canada? I select no. And I click on save and exit. See, this is completed. You can always update it later. Now comes to the contact details. Language of correspondence. I select English. Next. Email address and then click on save and exit. So I'm going to do that. So now both the sections are completed. Next comes study language, application represent work. Okay, let's start. Study language, education history. High school or higher education, I select yes. Field of study, let's say he studied in computer IT. Whatever is applicable in your case, when years. So in India, typically 18 years people go, so 1995. So 15, 3, 2003, right? 2003, I'll put it. Month. Typically in May, right? Current study, no. 2 year, 4 years engineering, right? Typically around June. Okay, academic years 4. Full time. Standing at the end of study period. Awarded. Country of study. India. City. I'm just putting some sample, guys. New Delhi. Name of school institution. New Delhi IT. Level of education. Bachelor's degree. Canadian degree. Canadian degree diploma has ECA. Yes, he has done ECA. Organization. So I'm just going for sample. When was it issued? Certificate number. I'm gonna put a sample, not sure if it's gonna be accepted or not. Let's see. Oh, done. Perfect. Official language, English and communicate in English. Yeah. Official language assessment. Yes. IELTS. Okay. Test version, general training is accepted. So it's here. Date of test results. So typically test result comes 13 days after test, right? So we'll follow the same pattern here unless they hold your test for additional verification. It does happen. I don't know if it's gonna be accepted or not. Let's see. Save and exit. Okay, perfect. This is also completed. Application details. Would consider living in all provinces and territories. I did some consent so that you can get you can read it like British Columbia, yeah, so that they can also get information about you. Same thing for Ontario. Nomination certificate from this is for PNP, so I select no. Wow, one more section gone. Now representative. An applicant can appoint somebody. No, he's doing himself. Now work history. Primary occupation. So we have selected here, right? Code. What was it? 21232. Okay. 21232. Yeah. So when he became eligible, so this he became eligible after this education, right? So that depends upon here. It's explained here that when you become eligible to work in that occupation, that is really important. So because he has got, he usually require a university degree. So the moment he got a university degree, he was eligible. So I'll select June. Next. When I go for directory, I select no. Next. Intended work has a job offer in Canada. I select no. Next. Now comes work history. Really important. Yes. Next. So 2007, right? So let's say 2007, July, he picked up and still working for the same company. Very loyal employee. Hours per week. I select 40. 5-digit NOC code 21232, right? 212. We are almost there. 32. Okay. Job title. Software. You need to do it as per your case. Okay. New LEID. Country. India. They're going to verify this. So be very careful. Always enter correct and verified information. Save and add. Okay. Next. Research. Accessibility for research. Yes. So, have you looked for job kind of problem with last action too? Yes, I have done some research. Action would be accepted when I said yes. With whom did you check? Western immigration or Russian diplomat. I select foreign relative immigration visa employer when I applied for the job. Okay. Whatever the applicant was your case. Some jobs are regulated. Would you need a license? No, he doesn't need a license in this occupation, but there are some licensed occupations. Okay. So we can go continue and submit the profile and see the score, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want a dummy profile in the pool. So I hope you're going to like this video. Thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.